Oh, hi everyone, I'm in Brooklyn, industrial place, order at Thai food. So I got the Thai fried rice, Basil fried rice, Catlin, Pad Thai, and Passion. So this is how they prepare the open kitchen. Here we go. This is the we pick up to go with 5 Thai dishes. This is the basil fried rice with chicken. This is the chicken fried rice. Dry curry with rice. Forgot the name already. They say that they recommend. This one it says tastes good. And this is traditional pad thai with chicken. Passion. And let's try this. Try it out and see how it tastes like. So let me try this one. This is not spicy, the passion. Feels dry, not too oily. I like it. It's just like pretty much like broccoli, chicken, sweet soy sauce, and that's it. Maybe have some eggs. Yeah, a little bit eggs. Scrambled egg. Chicken in here is gonna be white meat. So let's see. It's very flat noodle. Very flat here. It's good. A little bit spicy. Sweet soy sauce, a little bit sweet soy sauce. But doesn't feel like greasy at all. Oh, the spicy feels like using white pepper. I'd say the spicy probably not too spicy. I think it's just the white pepper that causes you like your throat is irritating. But it's not that crazy spicy. It's good. Very dry, and the fat noodle, they don't cook like become like soggy. It's more like chewy style. It's very good. What they make. So this is the pad thai. This is more like a thin slice of noodle with chicken. Have some peanuts. So let's see. Smells sour too. So they put vinegar. You can smell sour. A little bit wet. Pepper on it, chili powder maybe. I would say both of the noodle, the stir-fry noodle, is not that salty. And again, this is dry, doesn't feel like greasy. It doesn't feel like they put a lot of oil, but I don't know until you get to the bottom, then you can tell. But so far when you eat it, feel like not like so oily. It's very good and have eggs on it. Healthy. Again, the chicken is gonna be white meat again. Sour. I think this is not spicy at all. The spicy level is 0. Nothing yet. It's good. Well, I like both thin noodle and flat noodle. As long as they're not like soggy. Alright, now I'm gonna try out the Thai fried rice, the Thai chicken fried rice. So that's how it looks like. I feel like it's not, I feel like this might be plain because it doesn't look spicy. I don't see much. Oh, by the way, the pad thai, I don't feel much taste like fish oil, but maybe they put it, it's just like light touch, which is good because I don't like salty, as you know. And I have some white meat chicken and some scrambled fried eggs into small little pieces and come with a lime. It looks good. Yeah, I cannot smell as much. I don't smell any spicy. Actually, I'm eating this cilantro, so everything is like herby. Yeah, like I say, it's just like very plain like fried rice, like chicken egg fried rice. Nothing really special. I feel like missing stuff. I wish they put a little bit like more, maybe basil fried rice, basil, right? I feel like just like some sauce, like salt or maybe fish oil, fish sauce with chicken and rice and scrambled egg. Again, they make the fried rice very dry. Doesn't feel like soggy. I'm loving it. And they use jasmine rice too. See, they feel dry. It's very good. So this one might be too plain. Not really standing out as a Thai dishes. I feel like I can make it too. Let's try it out. This one. This is the basil fried rice, the Thai signature. Basil fried rice. Let me scoop some out. Oh, I can see some red pepper. So at least like more colorful, not plain white color. So they might add some sauce on it. And all the chicken that we order is all white meat. Smells so good. So strong basil. They use a fresh basil when I watched them making it. You see, the color is very different than the chicken fried rice. This is more like a darker color. And you can smell basil. And they use a red pepper. Mmm. Oh, and spicy too. Wow. This one is spicy, no joke. It's spicier than the fat noodle, the passion. Oh my god. This is strong. I mean, everything is good. It's just like, not salty, but the spicy. It's real stuff, real stuff. Wow. I feel like this spicy is not like white pepper. So it's some, maybe jalapeno maybe. But it's like burning. This is not like irritating my throat, but it's like also hurting my tongue too. My tongue is feel like burning with tons of things. I love this one more than the chicken fried rice. If you cannot handle spicy, chicken fried rice would be the best choice, but then it's not much flavor, just like some rice, egg, chicken, blah blah blah. But this has more flavor, basil and spicy on it. Wow, this is good. I feel like I can eat the rice without any meat because the rice has flavor. It's so strong flavor. You can taste the basil. I mean, now my whole mouth is just, it's burning hot. Wow, good stuff, good stuff. Doesn't feel greasy, even the fried rice. Okay, lastly, is something I want to try something different. Normally, I like pad thai or dragon noodle. But if I eat at the restaurant, I pretty much pick curry. I love Thai curry. But since I take out, I want to try something different. Dry curry beef with white rice, and you can add fried egg, just like $2 extra, but I didn't add it. My mouth is burning. I'm on fire. And give you some cucumber, string beans. Oh, the curry looks so yellow. Look at this. So yellow, this color. Can I smell it? Oh, lemongrass. I could smell the lemongrass, my favorite. Wow, it's very strong lemongrass. I now think I know why she say this is good stuff. There's so many ingredients add onto it. Feel a little dry, but let's see. Feel dry, but then it's good. So much flavor. I can taste very strong lemongrass, like the spicy, the curry flavor. What curry is this? I don't even know, but it's just like I think the lemongrass is strong enough to cover the dry curry and string beans. String bean doesn't have much taste on it. They didn't marinate. It's just like apparently they just dump and then mix it up, cook together. Dry curry makes the huge difference. It's strong lemongrass. Because I just had the basil fried rice. Now my whole mouth is so numbing. I cannot taste much taste besides the strong lemongrass right now. Like, oh, you know what? I think I ate one of the paste. It's super duper spicy. Oh, I love it. This is good. This is good stuff. I think I might order more this time. Like go back, order the same day. Yeah, even though the beef is kind of dry, I think it's still doable. It's very favorite. They put the dry curry on the beef and cook it as well. But it's so spicy. If you love spicy, this is definitely, you should go and try it out. It's very good. The most spiciest is this one today. It's this dry curry beef followed by the basil fried rice. Oh my gosh. The passion, that spicy is not that spicy. It's just a white pepper that it irritates your throat. But the main killer is this one. It's very strong. I would highly recommend on this restaurant. I'm gonna go back again next time when I swing by on the Brooklyn Industrial City. It was like, it took me a while to find this place too because they're building within building. I was like, am I going the right way? It was a bit, but I found it at the end. So it was good to try out. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching and I'll see you the next video.